Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about Introduction to Programming with Python. So agenda of today's video will be what is Python, what is programming, what is an interpreter and where we can use Python. So let's learn about Python. What is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented, high-level, general-purpose programming language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So let's understand word by word. First question that came to mind is what is programming language? Forget about computers for a while and let's focus on language only. So what is language? Language is a medium to communicate with humans, like we all are using any of the languages for communication. The same way we can communicate with computers by using programming languages. So, what is programming? Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. So, whatever language we are using to write a computer program is called a programming language. What is an interpreter? First, understand this with a known technical example. I hope you all are aware about translators. Suppose you go China for a vacation and you know only English or Hindi. If you want to talk a Chinese person who only knows Chinese language, so you have very limited option to reduce this communication gap. Either you learn Chinese or that person learns English. But it will take a hell lot of time. So the last option is hiring a translator. The translator job is to translate one language to another language. The same way an interpreter works. Interpreter converts a high-level code into low-level code at runtime because computers only understand binary code. We will learn about object-oriented programming in upcoming videos. So next question will be where we can use Python. We can use Python in many places, like in web development. Web development is one of the areas where Python is mostly in use. Python offers many popular frameworks. These frameworks have been used to power some of the most popular sites such as Pinterest, Instagram, Mozilla, Udemy, Spotify, Reddit, etc. So popular modules for Python like Django, Flask, Fast APIs and Web2Py. Next we can use Python in machine learning and in artificial intelligence. Python is the most popular choice for building machine learning or artificial intelligence applications due to the wide range of available modules and simplicity of Python. For this, we have some popular modules like TensorFlow, sklearn, OpenCV, Keras, SciPy. So next we can use Python in data analytics and data visualization. So data analysis is the process of analyzing data sets to make decisions based on available data. Data can help customers improve their advertising campaigns, personalize their content and improve their bottom line. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data in a pictorial or graphical format. General types of data visualizations are charts, tables, graphs, dashboards, etc. So popular modules for data analytics and data visualizations are Pandas, NumPy, sklearn, Seaborn. So next we have desktop GUI applications. We have some popular modules for this one also like tkinter, WX widgets, Qt, JTK Plus, Kiwi, FTLK and OpenGL. Next we have embedded systems. Nowadays we can use Python to build embedded systems and IoT devices also. Popular ports of Python to run on hardware are MicroPython and CircuitPython. Next we can use Python in game development also. Yes, you heard it right. We can create games using Python. Sounds interesting, isn't it? Some popular modules for game development are PyGames, PyKaira, PyOpenGL, So these are the modules for game development. Next we have mobile app development. We can build mobile apps for Android and iOS using Python. Available framework for this are Kiwi, Flutter with Flat, F-L-E-T. Yes, we can use Python with Google's popular framework Flutter. I think that's enough for now. In next video, we will install Python and start coding. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.